In the previous lectures we started discussing the antihyperlipidemic drugs. We already discussed HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors, niacin and fibrates. So today we'll talk about bile acid binding resins, which are also called bile acid sequestrants. Cholestyramine, Colestipol, and Colesevelam are anion exchange resins that bind negatively charged bile acids and bile salts in the small intestine, leading to the formation of an insoluble complex that cannot be absorbed from the intestine, so it is excreted in feces. This increased loss of bile acids causes the liver to use cholesterol to form bile acids. So this is followed by a decrease in intracellular cholesterol concentrations, and that activates an increased hepatic uptake of cholesterol-containing LDL particles, which of course leads to a fall in plasma LDL. They are used in the treatment of type 2A and type 2B hyperlipidemias. Cholestyramine can also relieve pruritus, caused by accumulation of bile acids in patients with biliary stasis. The most common side effects are gastrointestinal disturbances, such as constipation, nausea and flatulence. Colesevelam has fewer gastrointestinal side effects than other agents. These drugs may impair the absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins, and they also interfere with the absorption of many drugs, such as digoxin, warfarin and thyroid hormone. So other drugs should be taken at least 1 to 2 hours before, or 4 to 6 hours after, the bile acid binding resins. That's all for this video. In the next lecture we'll continue discussing the antihyperlipidemic drugs.